Brian. What are you looking for?
Just seeing if I can tell which one it was. They're
A torque cube converter?
yeah, not a catalytic. It's not a Cadillac.
Okay,
I want a
all right.
Cadillac.
I got it. So I think there's 2 of them converters. Well, what we're doing is 5R55 transmission. Whoa! And we rebuilt it, and didn't have a lot wrong with it, but it had a rear the reverse sprag. One of the sprags that go in the bottom, it was broken. So that was causing problems. And we replaced the clutches, put a new torque converter, new valve body. And now we're just going to install it. Put it back in the truck. So, this is a 5R55. This is a little Ford Ranger. We rebuilt the 5R55. And now
climbing trees, rolling in the dirt. Rip your jeans and stain your shirt.
we have it installed. We got the converter. It's all good. It's all sucked up to the motor. Converter's in the right spot. We're in good shape. Hey, Brian. So, it's all going good. Right? I was just explaining to people.
Okay.
I was explaining.
I thought I was waiting for you to say, but.
No, I'm feeling confident. I got a little, I don't know, tripod-like thing here. I think maybe leaning. So, there's Brian.
What's up?
Tom, got this thing installed. And we like a couple of Bellhausen bolts still, and a damn dipstick too. Other than that, what are you doing? Oh, might as well get it out.
Before you take one step inside that door, you had better show me what the soap and water's for. Hey, get yourself clean and wash your hands. 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 Get dirty, better wash your hands. You better wash your hands. Better wash your hands. Get dirty, better wash your hands. You better wash your hands. Better wash your hands. Get dirty, better wash your hands. You better wash your hands. Better wash your hands.